Are you tired of cluttered drawers and scattered utensils in your kitchen? Introducing the wooden utensil board, the perfect solution for organization and style in your home. Imagine a beautifully crafted wooden board hanging on your kitchen wall, showcasing your favorite utensils in an elegant display. Not only does it add a touch of rustic charm to your decor, but it also serves a practical purpose by keeping your kitchen essentials within reach. From spatulas to spoons, ladles to whisks, every utensil finds its place on the wooden board, turning your cooking space into a functional work of art. But the benefits don't stop there. With everything neatly arranged on the board, you'll spend less time searching for the right tool and more time enjoying the cooking process. And it's not just for the kitchen. The wooden utensil board can also be used in other areas of your home, such as the bathroom or craft room, to keep supplies organized and easily accessible. So why settle for clutter when you can elevate your space with a wooden utensil board? Experience the perfect blend of utility and style today. 1. Eco-friendly. Wooden utensils are made from renewable resources, making them an environmentally friendly choice for your kitchen. They are biodegradable and can be composted at the end of their lifespan, reducing your carbon footprint. 2. Gentle on cookware. Unlike metal utensils, wooden utensils are gentle on cookware surfaces, preventing scratches and damage. They're perfect for non-stick pans, cast iron skillets, and delicate surfaces like enamel. 3. Safe and non-toxic. Wooden utensils are naturally non-toxic and safe to use in food preparation. Unlike plastic utensils, they don't leach harmful chemicals into your food, ensuring a healthier cooking experience. 4. Heat resistant. Wooden utensils are heat resistant, making them ideal for stirring, flipping, and serving hot dishes. They won't conduct heat like metal utensils, so you can comfortably handle them without risk of burns. 5. Versatile and stylish. Wooden utensils come in a variety of shapes and sizes, suitable for various cooking tasks. Their natural beauty adds a touch of warmth and elegance to any kitchen decor, whether modern or rustic. Now let's explore some spots where wooden utensils excel. 1. Cooking. Wooden utensils are perfect for everyday cooking tasks like stirring sauces, flipping pancakes, and sautéing vegetables. Their smooth surfaces won't scratch pans, ensuring your cookware stays in top condition. 2. Baking. Use wooden spatulas and spoons for mixing batter, folding dough, and spreading frosting. Their gentle touch is ideal for delicate baking projects where precision is key. 3. Salad making. Wooden salad servers are great for tossing and serving salads without damaging delicate greens. Their natural appearance adds a rustic charm to your table setting. 4. Barbecue. Wooden barbecue utensils are essential for grilling meats and vegetables outdoors. Their long handles keep your hands away from the heat, while their sturdy construction allows for easy flipping and turning of food on the grill. 5. Entertaining. Wooden serving utensils are perfect for presenting appetizers, cheeses, and charcuterie boards at parties and gatherings. They add a touch of elegance to your presentation, while being practical for guests to use. Incorporating wooden utensils into your kitchen arsenal not only enhances